You will, like today, compare to all the stuff we've been doing earlier in the week. We have one big idea, and it's the triangle inequality theorem, and all you're doing is, can a triangle exist with these three side lengths? It's kind of all we're doing, all right? Yes, it is. That's what we're doing. So, what is the triangle inequality theorem? A triangle exists if the sum of the two smaller sides is greater than the third side. Sum means what?
Together.
The amount added together. So if you take two sides out of the smallest, add them together, if it's bigger than the third side, you have a triangle. And if not, you don't have a triangle. Okay? So let's try this out. Determine if the following side lengths make a triangle. So what are my two smallest sides on number 1?
8 and 17.
So this is all we're doing, kids. 8 plus 17. Is it greater than 24?
Yeah, that is correct.
25 is greater than 24, so
It might be.
yes, we
Wait,
have a
is this all we're
triangle.
doing?
Kind of.
Wait,
We're throwing like a little bit of algebra at the end, but this is the
Improve.
idea.
so if they have 8 plus 16, that would be
To prove this is right.
Correct. We'll see
Prove
one
this
like
is
that.
true.
Okay, let's try the next one. What are my two smallest sides?
3 and 3.
So 3 plus 3. Is it greater than 7?
No.
Oh.
6 is
Also.
not greater than 7, so a big old no.
Also.
No triangle.
False.
It'd be kind of like if this was like a side of a triangle and this was a side of a triangle, they just would never touch to like get that third point. They just kind of like. Okay, what about the last one?
No.
Yeah.
No.
So 11 plus 4 greater
Because
than
it says only greater than.
Yeah, it does say.
But that would just be a line.
is 15 greater than 15?
No.
No, because what is it? It's a line. It would just like pancake on top of itself. Your two sides would just collapse like this. So no, not a triangle.
Can we just do no solution?
No
Just a little
solution.
This,
Yeah,
will the numbers always be in order the way we're supposed to have them? Or
No, that
It's the two smaller ones.
it's always two smaller
Oh
ones.
yeah, that was my next question.
Yeah. Good, but that's a good question. Don't get in the habit of just assuming. Okay. So now we're gonna have a hypothetical. Let's say I only know two sides of this triangle. Now we're gonna find the range of the potential third side. So a range is a lower number and a bigger number and everything between it. So let's just see what that would look like. So we're gonna call our third side X. To find the smaller range number, you just subtract your two sides. And then to find the upper limit, we just add them. And that will give us the potential range for that third side. So we'll see what that looks like. So if I have two sides, 14 and 20, what's the possible length for the third side?
6 or
6 through 3.
Well, let's look here. They're
We have
right.
to do it that way.
What way?
Those things.
Yep, you have to write it as a range. So to get the smaller number, I'm going to take 20 minus 14, and they were right. We get 6. And then to get the bigger one, 20 plus 14, 34. So any number between 6 and 34 would give you a triangle with those two other side lengths. So now this guy here, if I take 31 minus 28, what do we get?
3 and then 59.
59.
59. Does that kind of make sense?
yes.
Okay, do the last one. We have it. Alright, since there's no less.
Right. But I don't know why it's right.
None of these numbers are ever going to be negative, right?
Can you have a negative side length for a triangle?
No. Okay.
Yes.
Good question. No, that's a good question.
You never know what math's going to go.
So some negatives, imaginary numbers.
I would tell them.
Square root of -1.
Well, they don't get the Friday.
No solution.
No
It's
solution.
actually a lowercase I
Am I
because that's
right?
an imaginary number.
No, that's what I got.
So you guys all got?
Yeah, 9 and 25.
Okay. Now here's the only difficult part of today. Instead of giving you actual numbers for sides, they're just going to give you an expression. And since it's an expression, I don't know which one's my smallest side or my biggest side. So we have to try out all possible ways. So it's easy algebra, it just seems kind of like a lot of work for one problem. Okay? Okay, let's just look. So do we see our three sides of this triangle? Here, here, and here? Okay. So we have three possible things that can happen. AC might be our biggest side. So I would know that AB plus BC would have to be greater than that side. So when you write that down, be organized.
That's not true, is it?
Well, we don't know what's true.
I'm pretty sure AB is the biggest side.
We'll actually never find out.
Are you kidding?
So now we're just going to plug in, substitute in what they equal, and figure out our inequality. So what does AB equal? So you're going to write 4x plus 25. Plus, what does BC equal? Yep. Has to be bigger than... I'm going to run out of room. Yep. And now we just algebra it out.
Can't we just add them all together using mental math first?
Yeah, I was just showing you so you saw what was going on. So I'm going to have 7x minus 2.
2x greater than.
What do you want to do? And I'll go follow what you do, Mason.
Is it
You
2x?
brought the 9 over.
You brought the 9 over?
2x is greater than 19 or 18.
Yeah.
18.
14, sorry.
What? I got 18.
I got 14.
Oh, it was. I didn't add the 2
Oh,
greater.
no, I'm wrong. Don't look at me.
Greater than.
Or greater.
Yeah, it should be 7x plus 23.
Yep, we're good. Thanks, buddy.
You're welcome.
I'm just doing
I got it.
I hate going with so many people.
Yeah.
There was 9.
Okay, but here's the thing. When you divide by a negative number, did you flip your symbol?
Yes.
Did you?
Yeah.
No, Mason did. No, I.
So x should be less than 14.
Because Mrs. Williams would say.
Ding, 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 right? Yeah.
Wait, why would you flip your
Because you divided by a negative number.
When you work with inequalities, if you multiply or divide by a negative number, your sign switches.
Say first half. I understand.
I ended up with
Oh.
Yeah, I didn't get negative.
Yeah.
I went the other way. I didn't get negative. I said
So then, but you, does yours still say 14 is less than x?
I got 28 is greater than 2x.
Okay, now divide by 2.
Over 2.
Divide
Yeah.
by 2.
And then it'd be,
x is greater. I got x greater than 14. So.
it would still work, I think.
No, but you can't flip your numbers like the equation. That would be a negative 2 if you brought over your 9 minus 4.
Oh, my 2x.
Would that still
That's
work?
fine. Can't flip it like that. No. Could be a negative.
Kathy, you know these cards are lost.
Just as long as
I finally made one.
You want to do less than that? I have one.
It's the same thing.
No, because mine's saying x is less than 14. Yours is saying 14 is bigger than that.
What do you mean? It's still saying. But
I
it's
remember
still
last
saying.
year, she was there. I said,
Do you think it's split?
Yeah, you're right.
That's good.
Yep. Okay, so what? Can I erase this so I have more space to write?
Yeah.
No.
Okay,
that's
our
illegal.
third option. Let's just go down the list. What if BC, oops,
BC plus AC.
Yeah.
AB.
yeah,
That's just-
is greater than AB?
That's whatever.
Yeah.
So BC plus AC is greater than AB. So now we're just going to plug in what BC equals. So plus AC.
Does it give us the BC plus AC?
No, but you have to write that. It's greater than 4.
That's fine. So bad. What?
I got 30.
Did you get X's? Yeah, X's. Yeah.
Oh, bubbles are genius.
Anyone else?
Yeah.
I got the same thing.
Good. That's what I got earlier. What's that?
Oh, shoot. Yeah, I forgot what I combined with.
AC plus.
You probably said that, Gene. I just.
Okay, then our last option would be if
AC plus
AB is greater than
BC.
BC. Okay.
Well,
BC
for
plus
multiplying
AC.
nines, I still use my hand.
Yeah.
1.9.
Yeah, like,
Oh, the 9
Yeah.
stripes are like 4 times 9, 36,
yeah, I still do that.
27.
In third grade, I got taught songs.
Yeah.
Oh, I meant 27. Did I not say
You
27?
said 47. I'm like,
Okay, why did I have 27 in my head? 47.
AC.
I love these.
ACDT?
Sorry. Please don't do that again, Glenn.
BC 3x minus 2.
BC. Plus.
This one?
No, I am right. This is weird.
It's okay if we get a decimal. We'll get a decimal.
Okay. Oh,
Are you getting decimals? That's alright.
yeah.
Oh, right.
That's
X is greater than
Anyone else negative 2.2?
what?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I
that's
didn't.
not
I'm
good.
not subtracting.
Yeah.
What is
Yeah, I'm on the
this?
track to do that.
Oh
Oh, I
wait.
did
Plug
get
in the
that.
wrong numbers.
I'm not a kid.
Okay, now we're almost done. I just want to make sure everyone gets those answers, and then I'll show you how you figure out what's the right answer here.
Nope, you just divide by a negative number, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Well, when our range used to be 4, English is greater than,
Of
or
course.
X is greater than 4, and 14 is greater than X.
That's one question.
In the blank space under your box right here, draw yourself a little number line.
Or qua.
Oh my god.
Because when you solve inequalities, normally you graph your solution, and that's how you figure out what your answer is.
We put that in the range of values or in the margin.
Just in the margin. Okay.
14.
So now we're gonna graph these. This one says x is less than 14, so I'm gonna make a little slash and call it 14. So if I want numbers less than 14, is my arrow gonna go that way or this way?
That way.
So go like
Probably to
this.
the right. Down.
And then this guy says x is greater than 4. Well, 4 is less than 14, right? So I'm just gonna put a little dot here. If I want numbers greater than 4, am I going this way or this way?
That way.
This way. And then our last guy, negative 2.2.
Why is it graphed so big?
This is how you graph inequalities.
So if we put it on an actual graph, is this like the one with the shape graph?
If you're doing lines, yeah.
Oh no.
Greater than is going this way. So now your answer is where all 3 of your lines cover each other.
So 4 to 14.
Right, so only right here do I have all 3 colors, right? So
we're on
this-
4 to 14.
Yep. that is your range of values.
Do we have to do that little graph thing?
If you can see without graphing it, no, you don't have to graph. But if you can see, but just by looking, do the graph, because it'll help you. Your homework is a worksheet and then a few problems in the books. Will you do your problems in the book on the back of this worksheet?
I'll consider it.
Just consider it. That'd be super great.
I will think about it.
You know,